country people. All the Aproko Association, where una dey. All the oversabi. Na God na go help una. Una just wake up for YouTube. Una not get work na to go dey search people content, go dey check the kind content wey the person carry. Na money with this, so na so I come swear for una. I just wake up this morning because call wey I don receive throughout the night. I no fit sleep again. Una go just wake up. Una carry my picture go meet Ebony for where Ebony sit down. And God na go disgrace you. You woman wey dey do this thing. the thunder wey go strike you, e no dey do press up. E go strike you. You see, the way you want make you take pull us down for this YouTube. Na so God will take put you down. I never brush my teeth this morning. I never eat. I never do anything because of you. I not get good sleep. Ebony carry my picture. It dey Facebook. All my people, all of their picture, it dey Facebook. Because of you wicked evil. You say now you better pass. Who Ebony help? We are trying to promote you, Ebony. Who you help? Who you help? What be una problem for yourself? All this celebrity, what be una problem? Una just say na for in short, Ebony, how many views have you get for your video? When you carry my picture, go your YouTube, your Facebook, say make I take your video down. What did they hear that your video even say? Garbage. Now day. I don't remove her. I don't need you. And nothing will make me to share your video anymore. Why will I share your video? I dey follow you for Facebook. I dey follow you for Instagram. I dey follow you for YouTube. What's your problem? What you say I do for you? You know how much will you get when I tell they wash you? Do you know how much you will receive from Canada? Where that person can't push you, can't go put my picture for them. Are you kidding me? See, make una try to use una head. Not be everything wey person tell una now they use. Ebony, now you are the talk to so. Not be everything wey person tell you, because I know say you fair write this thing before. I write you, tell you say, see, my sister, I want to call you all this. I just write you. You refuse to return back to me. It's okay, fine. I remove your picture, your video from my YouTube, and later on, all the cockroach where they around you say make you call revenge. You want to take my YouTube down? Be you want strike? I be wetin you want do, my sister. We on a binyo we do my yakin. Wa gianyise wa miego ma progress wa be de buy no progress. Nu wa dona manuwa. You where this evil girl, where they follow on social media, they go the day where I go catch you, that day, the way I'll tell use you to do live video. In short, I go make sure say I show your quickos for everywhere. Continue. Me, I go see how much Ebony they give you. Whether na Nigeria money you wanted they live for abroad or you did so, I go see him. I go see him. How much Ebony want pay you where you take they do all this nonsense everywhere. I go see him. You think say you want bring me down. Now yourself now you go bring down. Yourself now you want bring down. All these shameless people where they don't use their quick stay look for 1 million thousands. You can't they use yourself, can't they compare me? Make thunder strike you. What do you want gain? Okay, fine, I don't remove her from my channel. What do you want gain? What do you two want give you? What do Ebony want give you? Ebony if you get money. Now be Ebony they look for money, make person give her money. Make una take her easy. May not be like say the hand where they feed you now. I can't they fight against you now. Yes, may not be like so. Because the way they go now, they go like that. You carry everybody. You not be not all the this thing wanna put then everybody will carry Ebony be that. Why not bring all the YouTubers who bring Ebony a video come out. Why una not bring all of them? Why una can't choose some? Can't choose some? See, you girl, you lady, you woman. I no wan call your name, you know yourself. I no wan call your, not call my channel again. Oh. Make I not come out for you. Because if I come out for you and you no go like yourself. Not come my channel again, delete yourself or exist yourself. Oh. Just subscribe yourself, mind your business. You know say na you are the turtle, you know yourself. You know say you can't watch this video. That money where Ebony wan give you. And that your kpeku so you don't take find money for Ashawo place where up till now na YouTube now you can't land yourself. You see now all these kind of people at the talk. Una go say una gallant, una get sense, una go school. Wetin una dey do for YouTube? Wetin una dey look for YouTube? Una wey gallant so, una wey get sense so. Wetin una dey look for YouTube? Make thunder strike you. You wey dey do this evil so. You carry my picture go meet Ebony, make e carry me come out for Facebook. My sister, this is a warning for you. Not let me enter you. I know you. Behave yourself, oh. Because if I enter you, I go enter your heart. The day where your papa put that spell for inside your mama body, and that day I will start to calculate you come out. Don't bite the finger that feeds you. Okay? Stay your lane. Stay your lane, no. Iya do me na rukpon gwe. Ebony we no vie do. Wa do no na. Wa brige ivie do we dan. It's a shame and it's a big disgrace to you. If I were you, I would not do it. You know why? As me dey so, me want popular. Me dey tell Nana. Me want popular. Mona share this video. Mona let am go viral. Me want popular. Me want make people dey share my video. That's why they always talk. I'm gonna share my video. Me want viral. Ebony, if you viral na bad thing. For how long you don dey industry? It can't be saying now you want viral. Now you want come block people YouTube. My sister, do you know how I take get my YouTube? You want block my YouTube or you want give me strike? My sister, ovijeme, ovie doki. E gani video ni. E gyo ma pushi we. E gyo ma ya we mi no ma heke nuhu. Umosegbe no do egbe kini. Ebony. Won. We giame. Wo si me. But I just like you. But don't look at people no away me. Because you get in pushy way. You no pushy way ni. Wa have a meal vegi have se. Wa have a meal. My sister. Uriye that me uriye that no. Everybody dey lane na just to promote you now they do. Not be say I not get work what they do. That make me carry your video. Ovije. Ti me ni uni na mo video we. Love ni wa ye ya me ni ya mo video we. Ti mami video. And video work pa we raw. Amami ugi no. My sister. Wa anyi si. Ibi edo. Wa anyi si. Wa you ga gbokpa nokpa. Why you ga Why you ga uwe na go fen. Why you ga ri o ma o ma. Ma. Wa gbene gbogbo aye gbe. Wa upogma we lana ni. Wa anyi si. Wa gikpo na we bless wa. Ebony. Umae bi nukia emi ebo me ba ho we na mo pishi mi are na wa we etiada for me ye ga dege ba ni wa we ni ya wu ni ya kpo ball le mi abi ni ya we mi ni uge ma. My sister he praise we be ba ni ti tell me down so no, this is what I have for you people. You we go dey do that thing, we screenshot my picture, go give Ebony. I go see how much Ebony go pay you and who Ebony help. Ebony no help me, no help you. You see and say you are a big disgrace. Now you I can't talk to you and I still give Ebony small. Ebony, nobody will you help. We are trying to help you. So just try and take that kudos. Just take it. Okay, we are trying to help you, not the other way around. Okay, my sister, you will do this thing. I don't know you, God knows you, but you know say I know your pin code. don't dare it next time. Okay, don't control my channel. Stay your lane. Let me stay my lane. It's very, very important, guys. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so that anytime I make back, you will be back. Much love and much kisses to you all. Bye this morning. Okay, see you.